Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about some free AI avatar generator apps that are popular on social media like Instagram, Twitter and TikTok. If you're interested in creating custom avatars or digital characters but don't want to spend money, then you should check out these top 5 free AI avatar maker apps. So let's get started with the video. Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you. The photo editing and art creation app Photo Lab Picture Editor allows users to convert their photos and images into work of art using a variety of filters, effects and tools. One of the unique features of this app is a wide range of filters and effects with over 800 options to choose from, including vintage, retro, modern, artistic styles. The app makes it easy to users to browse and preview different filters and effects to find the best suit their needs. Overall, Photolab Picture Editor and its art is comprehensive and feature-rich app that offers a wide range of tools and options to creating and editing works of art from photos and images. Steria is an AI-powered photo editing and art creation app that allows users to transform their own photos into work of art. The app includes various features such as the ability to apply filters, effects, create collage, add text, add stickers to images. One of the key features of Steria is its AI assistant art, which uses machine learning algorithm to analyze and transform photos into different artistic styles based on famous painting, illustration and more. Users can choose from a variety of styles such as Impressionist, watercolor, pattern. With the option of preview result before applying the filters, Steria offers unique and innovative way to perfect your photos. It's a set of tool functions for photos and images conversion that turns into a work of art. Wonder is an AI-based art generator app that enables users to create unique and original work of art by using artificial intelligence techniques. The app primarily focuses on creating art from photos and other images, but also has features that allows users to generate avatars or digital characters. To create an avatar with Wonder, users can select a photo or image as a base and then use the app's AI-powered art generator to transform the photo into cartoon or cartoon-style avatar. The app offers a variety of different art styles to choose from, such as abstract, pop art, and users can preview results before applying the filters to their image. In summary, Wonder's Avatar Maker feature is a fun and creative way to create unique and original avatars using AI. While the app primarily focuses on creating art, it offers a range of tools and features that can use to create avatars and digital characters. ToonTap is fun and user-friendly photo editing app that allows users to transform their photos into cartoon-style image using a variety of filters and effects. The app offers features such as ability to adjust intensity of the cartoon effect, add text, stickers to images, and apply variation filters and effects to change the appearance of the photo. ToonTap is a versatile and feature-rich app that offers a wide range of tools and options to make your photos into playful, creative cartoon images. If you are looking to add unique touch to your photos, this app is definitely worth considering. The top app for creating avatars from photos is Precool AI Avatar Photo Editor. This app uses artificial intelligence technologies to transform images into digital characters such as cartoon, anime, and pixel art. The app has AI-powered avatar generator which uses machine learning algorithms to analyze and change photos into avatars. Users can select from various avatar styles, preview the result, and apply the filters to your photos. Overall, Prequel AI Photo Editor is a user-friendly app that offers a wide range of tools and options for turning photos into avatars or digital characters. If you want to add creative and playful touch to your photos, this app is worth checking out. There are many free AI avatar maker apps to choose from. Whether you want to create a cartoon, a version of yourself, or create unique digital characters, there is an app that can help you achieve it. Try one of these apps and see what kind of avatar you can create, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Bye bye.